In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a Jira filter in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Jira or a seasoned user, mastering the art of filtering can help you manage tasks more efficiently and keep track of your work like a pro. Let's dive into it and simplify your workflow. To start off, open your web browser and head over to your Jira dashboard. This part of Jira is often referred to as your work and acts as the gateway to all your project management needs. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a navigation menu that offers several options. This is where you'll find the Filters tab, your ticket to customizing the information you want to see. Go ahead and click on that. Next up, to get a comprehensive view of all existing filters, click on View All Filters. This gives you access to both personal and preset filters shared across your organization. It provides a great overview and, more importantly, serves as a good starting point for creating a filter tailored to your specific needs. Check this space to see if there are any filters that you might want to replicate or customize. Now that you're familiar with the filters landscape, it's time to create a new filter that aligns with what you're looking for. Click on Create Filter. Here, you're opening up a world of possibilities. You can customize a filter to display only the information that's relevant to your ongoing work or interest. The interface is user-friendly, but if you feel a bit overwhelmed by the options, don't worry, we'll guide you through the essential aspects. Upon entering the filter creation screen, you'll notice a number of fields, and this is where you begin to define what your filter will display. Start by clicking on the Type field. The Type field gives you the ability to drill down to specific issue types. Maybe you need to review only bugs, or perhaps you're interested in seeing just the stories. You have the power to narrow down your view to just epics or tasks too, depending on your current focus. Select from epic, bug, story, or task, adapting your choice to the type of issues that matter most in your workflow. For instance, choosing bug will allow you to see all issues categorized under bugs, which is particularly helpful if you're in a testing phase or looking to prioritize bug fixes. With the issue type selected, let's refine things further by dealing with the status of these issues. Right beneath the type option, click on Status. This is where you can choose to see issues that are done, are currently in progress, or ones that are yet to do. This option helps you identify how your tasks are progressing, allowing you to maintain a solid grasp on your project's trajectory. Moving on, it's time to specify who is working on these issues by selecting the assignee. You can choose between current user if you want to see issues assigned to you, or unassigned to identify tasks that may need to be delegated or picked up. For demonstration purposes today, let's opt for selecting current user. This helps to focus on the tasks on your personal plate, removing much of the noise created by team-wide activities. Once you've set these parameters, it's crucial to save your filter for future use. Click on Save Filter. Here you'll be prompted to give your filter a name. Try something descriptive yet concise that will remind you instantly of its purpose. Once named and saved, this filter will be readily available whenever you need it, saving you from having to manually select criteria each time you want this view. And there you have it, you've now successfully created your custom filter in Jira, tailored to bring into focus just the information you want to manage efficiently. Filters like these are especially valuable as projects grow in complexity, allowing you to quickly identify the issues that need your attention. As you become more comfortable with this process, feel encouraged to experiment with additional fields to create even more specific filters, perhaps by adding more conditions or adjusting sorting preferences. It's all about finding what works best for you and enhances your team's productivity. Thank you for tuning in and learning how to create and manage a Jira filter efficiently. Stay organized and keep your projects running smoothly, one filter at a time. Until next time, happy filtering.